Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribe. In this video, we are creating Christmas wishes animation in Kinemaster. Before we start, let's see what we create today. Let's get started. Tap on this plus icon to create a new project. Here select 16:9 aspect ratio. Now import any color plane from background. Let's increase background layer duration. Let's change background layer color. Now import project files. Tap on layer, select media. Now increase this layer duration. Now import second one. You can download project files from description. Now increase all this layer's duration. Now resize all this layers. Now reposition all this layers, as I shown in the video. Let's animate this layers. Select this layer. Actually don't need to crop. Now tap on in animation. Select wipe up animation. And the speed is 3. Let me increase timeline duration. At the end of 0:1 layer animation, select 0:2 layer. Now tap on scissor icon. Select trim to left of playhead. Now select this layer, tap on in animation. Select wipe right animation. At here, select 0:3 layer. And trim it. Now select this layer, tap on in animation. Select wipe left animation. And here select fourth one. Trim it. Now tap on in animation. Select wipe right animation, and the speed is 1 second. Same for remaining layers. Let's see. All layers animating perfectly, but the time is different. We should match the time. This layer animation is too slow, let's increase speed value. Also this one. Now match the animation time of all layers. And here, import this star image. Place it here. Reposition it. Now resize it. Tap on in animation, select pop animation. And the speed is 0.7. Move this layer here. Let's add text. Increase this layer duration. Now place this text here. Tap here for more fonts. Now resize it. Start this layer from here. Select this layer, tap on in animation. Select Y bright animation. And the speed is 1 second. Now duplicate this text layer. Place it here. Tap this icon to edit the text. Reposition the text layers, and move this layer here. Let's see. Perfect. Now increase this layer duration. I am going to trim background layer here. Let me increase this layer duration. Let's create shapes animation. Import a color plane from background. Change this plane color. Place it here, and resize it. Tap on cropping. Enable mask. Select any shapes you like. Now adjust the crop here. Now increase this layer duration. Now resize it. Tap on overall animation. Select pulse animation. Now resize it. Make more copies of this layer. Let's create another shape. Now I am going to add more shapes. Let's create planes animation. Now import a color plane from background. Now rotate it, and resize it. Place it here. Move to 1 second forward, add a keyframe here. And here, change this layer position, as I shown in the video. Now change this plane color. Also send this layer to back. Now tap on alpha. Reduce opacity up to 30%. Let's add another plane. Change this plane color. Now rotate it something like this. Also resize it. Place it here. Now increase this layer duration. Move couple of frames forward. And here change this layer position. Now reduce opacity. I am going to place this layer here. Also change here. Let's see. Perfect. Now add keyframes like me. Now send this layer to back. Have a look. Now import this clip. Fit this layer into canvas size. Now blend this layer mode normal to screen. You can play with adjustments. Let me add another one clip. This is our final animation, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe.